All right, happy Friday. Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. It's time for Kaspa update. I know just 2 days back I made a Kaspa update for you guys, and comments started flooding on the video as soon as I posted it. All the comments going saying no audio, no sound. And guess what? I had to take the video down because of that. And this is the con to, of course, technology. Sometimes it just goes absolutely wrong, and my mic is acting up a little bit on me. So apologies on the late Kaspa update, but we will talk about Kaspa, see what is happening, what we could expect as we do go into November, and what I really meant to say in that video of mine that obviously didn't make its way up on YouTube because of technical errors. So if we're looking at Kaspa on the daily time frame, it's up 1.1% on the daily time frame. Looking at it on the weekly time frame, it's up 2.8%. But let's not forget what a lot of people are ignoring right now is what I'm about to show you. Right now, people are just looking at the current market, the top 100 coins, the weekly time frame. Altcoins are booming, up double digits, but we're not seeing that come into Kaspa. But let's not forget, now if we go on the if we go on the yearly time frame, you're seeing all these coins that I've just showed you on the weekly time frame, absolutely going crazy. But if we look at it on the yearly time frame, things are not looking as nice. But you're seeing Kaspa up 26x. So, Kaspa has had its time, especially during a bear market. And, it's seeing a little bit of a cool off. People are looking for different opportunities, different coins that haven't really pumped up yet. So that is why we're seeing other coins outperforming Kaspa in the immediate short term. But that does not mean Kaspa won't see more upside. But now let's take a look at what is really next. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, looking at Kaspa's price, 5 cents as of October 27th, which is great to see. And it's also up 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative, which is also really, really nice to see. Looking at its market cap, above that $1 billion mark, which we love to see. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 8.7 million. And I know you guys are about to come and point out the volume to me, saying it's not quite high. But remember, it's not listed on the major exchanges as of now. So, that is going to organically come. And majority of the other coins are outperforming Kaspa, which I've already mentioned. And if you guys are not familiar with this, when we talk about whales, there are some whales that only focus on coins that are in the top 10 to top 20. And I know some whales in the crypto space as well that have really spoken to me about their different strategies. And I've noticed that, they tend to only stick within the top 10 and top 20 from my personal experience. And that's why we're seeing other projects outpacing and, really gaining traction. Because let's think about it from this point of view. When we're talking about whales, we're not talking about someone that trades or has a portfolio worth 5 figures to 6 figures. We're talking, $500,000 to $1 million. So, the people that are, let's say, putting $1 million into, a coin that is in the top 100, the top 10 or 20, and they diversify just within then, guess what? If they make double their money, that's $1 million. So that's why there's a saying, the richer get richer, which is true, because you can make money way faster if you know what you're doing. So they're here for just these gains. They don't really want to take the risk with the low cap coins. So these are some factors a lot of people tend to ignore, and I want you guys to keep that in mind. But Kaspa, on the other hand, continuously holds strong. On certain exchanges, it was able to hit 5.5 cents. But, if you're looking at it on CoinEx, you can see it was at 5.3 cents, but I can assure you, I'm sure if you do, follow the Kaspa charts closely, you know that 5.5 cents was reached on certain exchanges. But we still haven't been able to see a new all-time high officially come in for Kaspa. Even if you look at it on CoinGecko, it wouldn't show you that. But I think that is to change. We're holding really, really strong. And, despite lack of interest right now, low volume for Kaspa, we continuously hold near all-time highs. And, when we're near all-time highs, that is, of course, price discovery zone, because once we crack past and, hit a new all-time high, you guys know that there's no resistances in our way, and the price can go up quite high. And, now that the market is heating up, that makes, new listings even more possible. And now that the SEC heat has kind of calmed down, there's more positive news coming out, ETF being approved, which is going to literally change the entire outlook on crypto, which we already know, and which is the reason as to why Bitcoin has even seen this insane pump. And Bitcoin is in a bull market 100%. If you think that Bitcoin is not in a bull market, come on guys, like wake up. Bitcoin is in a bull market. So one of my good friends pointed out something to me, and it has really stuck with me. We were just discussing the current market sentiment, and he's saying that these institutions are picking up Bitcoin as fast as possible. They're market buying it. They're not trying to get it over the counter. They're picking up Bitcoin as fast as possible, so retail investors are not able to pick it up at a cheaper price. So if they want to get in, they're going to be getting in at way higher prices. And that's exactly what's happening in my opinion. I think the likes of BlackRock, Grayscale, hedge funds like that are picking up BTC right now before this ETF were to be approved. And at this point, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, especially with the news that we have heard recently. So things are heating up quite fast. And Kaspa, a project which is a layer 1, a lot of people are excited for layer 1, layer 2s, and a project that has taken the crypto space by storm. A lot of eyes are on it, and I continuously think that this will be one of the top performers in this bull cycle. Is it going to be here to stay? We will see. But as far as the next bull cycle goes, it's definitely a project that is going to produce gains. We've seen this in the past, and we'll continuously see it. But as far as competition goes, guys, I know Kaspa holders love Kaspa, but let's not, deny the fact that there is so much competition out there. There is so much competition, and there could be another project that could come and do something better. So these are some things that we need to keep in mind. But again, that does not mean that the potential is not there. And the craziest thing that still shocks me to this day is the fact that Kaspa is sitting at above $1 billion market cap without being listed on any of the major tier 1 exchange. And I think that is about to change, and I think of course that will change the entire outlook on Kaspa. We could be seeing a 10-cent Kaspa in the near future. So great things definitely happening right now. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, but let's take it one step at a time. I know a lot of people want Kaspa to be hitting a new all-time high today or tomorrow, but there's going to be some things that are going to come into the way. And of course in this time right now, the coins that haven't pumped up are the ones that are pumping up as of now. But that is my overall take on Kaspa right now. Things are looking great, very close to all-time highs, and expected to break an all-time high possibly even before the month of October comes to an end. But let me know down below what you guys think, and of course hit that red subscribe button. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.